How to manifest better relationships using Neville Goddard teachings. Did you know that you have the power to change how people treat you without saying a word? Neville Goddard thought something radical. People in your life are reflecting your assumptions about them. Your relationships, whether romantic, family, friendship, or even strangers, are shaped by your inner conversation about them. If you've been struggling with someone, feeling like they're distant, unkind, or unwilling to change, the truth is you've been unknowingly keeping them in that role. Your inner talk, their behavior towards you. Most people replay negative stories in their minds without even realizing it. He never listens to me. She's always judging me. They don't appreciate me. And guess what? That inner conversation is scripting your reality. The more you assume someone is in a certain way, the more they reflect it back to you. So never thought that everyone it's you pushed out. They are responding to your story you are telling yourself about them, whether you're doing it consciously or not. How to instantly shift a relationship. Instead of mentally arguing, complaining, or resenting someone, rewrite your inner conversation about them. If a loved one is distant, start thinking, he's always reach out to me. Our bond is strong. If your partner isn't showing affection, affirm, he adores me. I feel so loved every day. Or if your boss is difficult, assume, he respects and appreciates me. And this isn't about manipulation, it's about seeing them in a new light and allowing that reality to manifest. Neville told the story of a woman whose mother in law constantly criticized her. She used to mentally argue with her and assume she would always be judgmental. But when she changed her inner story, she is kind and loving to me. Within weeks, the relationship transformed. So your new rule for a relationship is never let your inner talk about someone contradict the version of them you want to experience. Speak of them in your mind as already being the way you desire. Assume the best of them and watch how they shift before your eyes. Who is one person you are ready to see differently today? Drop their initials below and declare this new story.